And today's tutorial is for this cute cherry keychain I will teach you in this video. I separated my 3mm polyester threads from Melia. These are the pomegranate and flag green colors, which not only make the piece beautiful but also very delicate. I got my needle kit and already set aside the 3.5 needle. I will start here by making a magic circle and placing 6 single crochet stitches inside the circle. When finished, we will close it this way. I come to the first chain, yarn over, bring it forward, and I will make a slip stitch. And now I come into that same chain and take this loop to the back, just like I'm doing in the video. Then just adjust it so it doesn't get too loose, and I go into the same chain, yarn over, and fit it into the loop I took to the back. Now I pass it through, forming our first single crochet. I will make double single crochets, which will be a row of increases, meaning 2 stitches for each base stitch. So I go into my chain and make 2 stitches in the same space. The closing will always be the same way. In the first chain I yarn over, make a slip stitch, and take this loop of the slip stitch to the back in this same chain. I adjust it so it's not too loose, right? Not too wide, and I go into the chain to close and make my first single crochet of the row. Now in the next 2 rows, I will do stitch over stitch. There will be no increases, okay? It will be 2 rows, only stitch over stitch. Also, I go along, the piece will turn inside out. Then you just flip it like this so that the stitches appear correctly. After these 2 rows, we will start the decrease row. I have already closed with a single crochet, and now I go to the next stitch. Yarn over, do not close, go to the next, yarn over, have 3 on the hook and close all at once. I made our first decrease. The next stitch will be a normal single crochet, and now the next will be a decrease again. Yarn over, do not close, go to the next, yarn over, have 3 and close them all together. We will continue this sequence until the end of the row. Finishing everything, I will cut my thread, burn this little tip, which is the starting thread, and hide it inside. For the stuffing, I am using acrylic batting, placing it ball by ball inside until it becomes very fluffy. Then I just cut my thread, pass it all to the front. With the help of a tapestry needle, I go back and forth like this, see? One goes, the other comes. I will do this in all the chains here on my edge, but I will not close my circle yet, okay? I need to leave this little hole here still. I'll make 2 identical ones and leave them here in the corner. Now I take my green yarn, I'll leave a piece, approximately 15 centimeters is enough. And I start making chains. I make a string with 8 chains. On the back we'll work the first stitch, which will be a slip stitch. Then I will make a single crochet, followed by a half double crochet. Then I take and make a double crochet, and then I will reverse this sequence with 1 stitch. I start with a half double crochet. Here I make a single crochet, and the last one is our slip stitch. Finishing this leaf, we will chain 8 and repeat the process like the leaf on the other side. And look how beautiful the 2 leaves are. To secure it, I tie a little knot here at the bottom. I take the opportunity to attach my carabiner and wrap it around a few times just to secure it firmly at the top. Then I tied another knot so my loops wouldn't come undone, right? Now we're going to attach it to the cherry. So I come from underneath into the little hole of the circle. Grab the tip of the thread, pass it through the cherry and tie a knot. Actually, I tied 3 knots here at the tip because the thread is thinner. Then you pull, cut the tip and burn it so it doesn't fray, right? Now we pull the little thread to close the whole hole of the little cherry, finish it off and the 2 little balls, and look how beautiful it turned out. If you liked it, give it a like, share it, don't forget to follow me. Beijo!